Good morning! Good morning mga palangga! Bet ko ngayong mag-lipstick. So mag-lipstick tayo. Wala lang. Kasi nasa bahay ako. Kaya ayun. Kasi sobrang putla ko tingnan. Huwag kayong mahulog. Yung oras dito, I think 10:45 na ng umaga. Nag-edit ako kanina. I-try ko to. Purple yung kulay niya. Pero let's see. Maganda. Kasi, pag nilagay mo siya, sa camera lang ha, titingnan sa camera, pink siya tingnan. I think. Wala akong mirror dito. Titingnan ko lang yung sarili ko. Sandali lang. Tingnan natin. Yeah. Diba? Pak na pak yung lips ko ngayon. Kahit sa bahay lang, okay na. Maaga si postman ngayon, ha? Let's see what he got. Nakikita ko na to me. For me. Kay John, at kay yung akin. Natatakot ako pag merong post na para sa akin kasi it's either advertisement or it's either billion. Yan. Patapos na kasi yung buwan. Kaya ayon, mga bill. Nagsisend na sila. Yung car insurance ko malapit nang ma-expire. So, kailangan kong i-renew. And yan, bill na naman ito. Car insurance to. Reminding me for my renewal. Oh dear. Yeah, I need to do that. Ano kaya to? I-open natin to. Yung hair tie. Yan. Naghahanap ako nitong ganitong hair tie na endless siya ba. Yung hair tie na nabibili ko kasi sa Tesco, meron siyang end and there are tendency talaga, there are times na napuputol sila ito. Wala siyang end. So, ayun. Nabili ko yan sa AB. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 siya. And ito, I think this is another hair tie din. Yung hair tie na pang ano ba, parang pang donut. Nakikita ko kasi ito sa mga YouTube tutorial na ginaganito nila, oh. Focus. Yan yung instruction. Hindi man mag-focus. O, yan. Yan. And ganito na. Magaganyan yung buhok mo. So, hopefully, effective yan. Kailangan natin mag-extra hours sa trabaho. Kasi may mga bills. Kakain muna ako bago ako maglinis ng bahay. Kasi sabi ni Mr., ano yung gagawin mo today? Are you going to do something? Yes, I'm going to do something. Meron akong leftover na pudding dito. And leftover na, ano ba to? Beef stew. So, ito yung kakainin natin. And kasi meron akong rice dito. Yan. So, iinitin ko lang to. Yan. Lalagyan ko ng kaunting tubig. Nilalagyan ko siya ng kaunting tubig para hindi siya mag-dry. So, ito yung breakfast at lunch ko. Ang init. Tingnan niyo kung sino ang nandito. I just washed the floor, sweetheart. Naku! Naman to mga batang to. Kailangan ko kasi i-open yung window. Kailangan ko kasi i-open yung door para may airflow. Para madaling matuyo yung floor natin. Yan. Medyo tuyo na sila, pero yun na nga. Yun na nga. Nandito na din sila. Ito na naman tayo. Mahuhulaan nyo kung ano yung gagawin natin ngayon. Tea time. Yes, tea time siya. So, ayun. I-prepare ko na naman yung tea time natin. Si John umalis. Nag-pick up ng Polaris at Can-Am. So, yung tea natin ngayon, sausage. Pero itong sausage na to, I am unsure kasi venison itong sausage na to. I think venison is a deer. Tama ba? Basta, sabi ni Jan, this is a venison sausage. Bigay ito ng kapitbahay namin. I had a venison once when we went to our friend. Okay naman siya, pero sausage venison? Venison sausage? Ewan ko lang. But we'll try. And then, mag-garlic buttered shrimp din tayo. Itong shrimp na to, nabili namin to sa Aldi. Namangha ako kasi sobrang laki ng shrimp. Well, malalaki siya. Yan. Maganda kasi yung shrimp, tinanggalan na nila ng vein. Ayos. So, ngayon, magkakat na lang ako ng garlic. Ito. At magka-cabbage din tayo para naman may vegetable tayo. They are all ready. Kailangan ko na lang ilagay yung sausage sa oven. Before natin makalimutan, kailangan natin tong i-turn on tong cabbage natin. Ako. Hindi ko muna to ilalagay sa oven kasi madali lang naman itong maluto. And then, yung shrimp natin nandito na. So, they basically ready. Kailangan na lang sa lutuin. Titingnan natin yung bill na na-receive ko ngayon. Kung magkano. Ito yung car insurance ko. Nako, ang laki. Ang laki ng bayarin ko ngayon. Yung car insurance, nagbe-base siya sa age, sa experience, at gaano kalinis yung driving license mo. Ay, naku naman. Kailangan talagang bayaran kasi dito, hindi ka makapag-drive pag wala kang car insurance. So, kami talaga ni Jan, may nagtatanong, marami talaga sa inyo ang nagtatanong, bakit until now daw, wala pa kaming bank account together. So, 5 years na kami ni Jan, wala pa din kaming bank account, ha? So, ang policy ni Jan, yung parang, hindi naman policy, pero si Jan kasi, sabi niya talaga, kung ano yung sa kanya yung akin. So, inaamin ko naman talaga, sinasabi ko to sa inyo na mahirap noon, lalo na pag wala kang trabaho. Mahirap ang ganyang kasunduan kasi 'di ba sa atin din, iba din tayo sa Pilipinas, mostly tayo mga asawa, yung mga babae talaga ang nagbabudget sa or humahawak sa pera para sa budget sa bahay. Pero sila dito iba-iba at iba-iba yung foreigner. At huwag niyong masamain si Jan kasi Jan is a good man. Binibigay niya yung mga pangangailangan ko. So, ngayon na may trabaho ako. Yes.
It's not very warm, is it?
No, it's not very warm.
What's that?
I'm just watching television.
I'm just going to go and ring Lawrence and then watch
Okay.
Nibs.
Alright.
Freezing.
So, binibigay naman niya yung mga pangangailangan ko. So, ngayon na may trabaho na ako, actually, hindi na ako nagmamind sa ganong kasunduan kasi noon talaga mahirap kasi kung may mga pangangailangan ako or gusto kong bilhin, kailangan ko pang mag-ask kung pwede ba, may budget ba, ganon. Pero ngayon na may trabaho ako, wala na. Nabibili ko na yung gusto ko and nag-aambag na rin ako sa bahay. Tumutulong ako sa grocery. Yun lang yung yun lang yung maa-afford ko at the moment. And since na may trabaho na ako na yung nag-shoulder sa mga pangangailangan ko. So, yun kaming mag-asawa. Iba-iba yung mag-asawa. Uy, iba-iba talaga. So, wag kayong mag-expect na yung buhay ko dito spoiled dahil yung iba sinasabi, ay, spoiled yan kasi yung asawa niya, may edad na. No, hindi. Si John, he is teaching me how to survive in life. Yun yung ginagawa niya sa akin. Pinahihirapan niya ako. Hindi, joke lang. Sige muna, manonood muna ako ng TV. Ito yung new premiere ngayon. Ano siya? Blew My Mind. As in, B-L-U-E. As in, yung color na blue. Blow My Mind. Yun siya. German siya na movie. Kasi ito in German with subtitles. So, I think it's German. So, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Manonood muna ako So, yung tea natin, ready na siya. At ito na.
You didn't have a login, did you? Direct line.
No, I haven't. I hope you enjoyed that, Han. I need to try the sausage. Because it's a venison. Venison is a deer, honey, isn't it? Yeah, deer.
It worked out without a spotter. You have to get...
He's doing my hair now.
I don't know. I haven't a clue. I can't. I'm useless with that. It's not good.
Honey, you need to put that over to each other. Because, do you get me?
What? No.
Like, clip the hair with this. Like that. Put the hair in the middle. And then twist it around.
What?
Yeah, that's it. And then twist it.
You mean twist it? You mean roll it?
Yeah, roll it, I mean.
Like this?
Where, how? Yeah, like that.
Oh, I've got it all. It's falling out.
We're trying my new...
It's that dark in here. I can't see.
Okay, well, dude, we'll put the ring light. There you go. You will be a good hairdresser, Han.
And then what?
Ah! That's bad. Can you show me?
I've got a clue how you do it.
What's the back look like?
It doesn't look like anything. It's stupid.
Ito yung routine ni Mr. Yes?
Can I help you?
Where's Pipa? Pipa! No, she's so... Oh, here she is. I thought she's sulking. Hello! Hello, sweetheart. It's so dark. Kanina, yung venison na sausage, hindi ko siya bet. Sobrang salty niya. So, binigay ko yung dalawa yung sausage na kinain ko. Well, supposedly 2 for me and that 2 yung kay Jan. Isa lang yung kinain ko kasi hindi ko talaga nagustuhan. Anyway, magsha-shower lang ako and I will see you tomorrow.
The next day.
Kakauwi ko lang. Hindi ko nakain yung kiwi ko. So, at the moment, si Mr. gusto daw niyang mag-cheese and biscuits. So, yung cheese namin is itong Wensleydale. I like this. Wensleydale with cranberries. This is my favorite cheese. At itong double Gloucester with onion and chives. Sabi nila, masarap din daw to. So, ito try natin to. This is my first time to try this. At yung crackers namin, ito. Yung rough oatcakes. Yan.
Right, tell us about that.
And at the moment, we're watching... What is this, honey? In-betweeners. So, ito, relax muna bago matulog. Let me smell it, honeybee.
It's a slight change of mood, but
Ang sarap. Ang bango ng amoy. Hello! It's another day. Katatapos ko lang sa trabaho ko. I am in for 8 hours today.
Put the ham on to cook.
You can do.
Because I need something.
Sakit ang braso ko ay. It's aching and it makes me sick because of the pain. By the time I get 30, I cannot reach my toes.
Yeah, okay.
You look after me. I should be looking after you, sweetheart.
Pardon?
So, pupunta lang kami sa Tesco. Yung right hand ko yung ginagamit ko ngayon kasi this one is really painful. Pupunta kami sa Tesco to get some milk. And kasi nga, tinamad ako and I'm not feeling well. We will get sa 40 and yeah, top up grocery. Hinihintay ko na lang si John. I am waiting for John because he's preparing the ham.
The ham. Not the ham. The ham.
I can do this. Buti lang talaga. Wala akong trabaho tomorrow. Ay, paracetamol lang yung katapat nito. Or, pahinga lang talaga siguro yung katapat nito. Buhay abroad. Kailangan talagang magtrabaho kasi dito wala talagang magbibigay sa'yo.
I think I need some underpant braces.
Oh, what?
Some underpant braces. Stop them falling down. Freezing.
Really? It's 4 degrees.
Yeah, I know it's going to be freezing tonight, for us tonight. Right.
Do you want to get some bread as well for tomorrow?
Well, I'll have a look, see what there is. I don't lose them. Because,
I'll see you in Tesco. Nandito na kami sa Tesco. Bananas. Yeah. Get that. Get some pasties, sweetheart. Pizza department is here. Have a look on the top. What they got in there. No, I don't like the pork cheese, sweetheart. What is that there? Yeah, that's the one that we normally get. Get a garlic bread. That one. No, I like that one better. Yeah. I need a mushroom. Let me pick my mushroom. This kind of mushrooms. Yes, that looks good. That's massive. Look at that. That's a giant mushroom. We need steak. I like ribeye because there's no fat in it. Sirloin, mister?
Yeah. Right. That's that.
Right, that's it.
That's it. Just bread.
Hey, for making shepherd's pie, what kind of meat do you use?
Minced beef.
Minced beef? I'm not saying that I will make it now, but you know what I mean.
What other thing?
Well,
There's no bag.
it's alright. That's it. We can carry it.
No, we'll have to buy a bag.
Meron na silang extra fruity. Last time we were here, wala sila nito. Kaya ito yung binili namin, which John doesn't like it. It smells good here. What is this? Apricot and custard. Before I forgot, I wanted to have honey. I really like this dumplings. Can I get one,
Yeah.
please? I'm the one paying anyway.
Oh, that's fine then.
I really like this.
I think they're a rip-off personally.
You think so?
It's up to you.
I like it,
You know,
hon.
if you like pleasure in your mouth.
Yeah, I like it.
Right, so then let's
Right, let's go.
do more.
That's it. Where do you want me to put this?
Here we go.
Which one? Well, we go here.
Okay.
There you go. Nandito na kami sa bahay. I just need to put the fries in the oven. Yan. Si Mr. nakalimutan niyang maglagay ng timer sa ham. Ito naman talaga po si Mr. Wala akong tripod ngayon, so pagpasensyahan mo na.
Shh. I'm losing my boxes.
Ham is cooked. Smells good, the pizza, hun. I'm starving. I am starving.
It's a bit larger.
Mmm.
I think that's your tomato.
That's my tomatoes.
That's your tomato. Want it quarter?
Yes, please. That's it. Thank you, Sir John.
I don't know whether I'll get a pizza cookie. Trouble is you need to have something flat to cut it with on there, don't you? What's that piece?
That's enough. And garlic bread. Thank you very much. So, ito yung tea natin.
That's it.
We'll open our 4th Beauty Advent Calendar. Oh, ano kaya ang pang-apat na item natin. Saan yung number 4? Number 4, where are you there? So, yung third item natin is lip liner. Ano na naman kaya to? Is this a lippy? It looks fancy. NYX Candy Sleek. Rouge. Hindi ko na alam kung paano i-pronounce. But ito yung fourth item natin. Parang nga siyang candy. Yan. Hindi siya nag-focus masyado. I like the packaging. Titingnan natin. Yan. I like this area. I like this gold effect dito sa handle. Wow! Ang bango ng amoy. Para nga siyang candy. Yung amoy niya, candy talaga. Glowy lip color, it says. So, it's a lipstick. Sana ba yung mirror? There. Oh, gosh. Ang pula niya. Is this like a lip tint? So, ito yung pang-apat na item natin. I am hoping na sana meron silang eyeliner, mascara, but we'll see sa mga sumusunod na item. So, anyway mga palangga, itong video na to, this is just an inserted video. I-add ko to sa one of my other videos. So, mga palangga, i-end ko na yung vlog natin. So, ito na yung vlog natin for today. Huwag niyong kalimutan na sumali sa ating pag-giveaway. So, uulitin ko, may pag-giveaway tayo. Dalawa yung mananalo. 10,000, tagti 10,000 yung dalawang winners. So, sali na po kayo. Mag-comment kayo doon sa first ever vlogmas natin na video. So, maraming salamat and good luck sa lahat ng sasali. Bye! Mwah! Mwah!